Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we'll be discussing about what an ambigram and pangram is, which I think is quite interesting and useful to know, just for general knowledge. Ambigram, a term coined by John Langdon for words made to look the same when inverted with the help of calligraphy. It is nonetheless a typographical design or art form that may be read as one or more words not only in its form as presented, but also from another viewpoint, direction or orientation. To simply put, an ambigram is a typographical creation where the word reads the same when upside down, or flips to create a whole new word. Ambigrams are often very sophisticated and very imaginative typographical style of visual design. Here I've listed 5 different ambigrams, which are fairly common and prominent. First one is noon, second is soz, third is swims, fourth is sons, fifth is pod. Similarly, a pangram is a sentence that includes every letter of the alphabet, A through Z. Some pangrams make sense, but others don't. The purpose of a pangram is for fun wordplay, for artists to display various fonts and sentences using every letter, and they are useful to children that are learning to write, practice their handwriting, or learn cursive. Here I've listed 5 different pangrams that are fairly prominent. The first one is, the quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Second is, Mr. Jock TV quiz, PhD bags for links. Third is, 2 driven jocks help fax my big quiz. Fifth is, 60 zippers were quickly picked from the woven jute bag. So that's pretty much it. If you guys found this video useful, I'd appreciate if you guys could subscribe to the channel and share this video around. Cheers.